Hi there, and thank you for stopping by today. My name is Mohammad Farooq Anwar, and today I just want to start off with a basic overview of SaaS and its benefits. In the past few years, it is very likely you use software as a service or SaaS on a daily basis for your business and as a consumer. SaaS is one of the three main categories of cloud computing: infrastructure as a service or IaaS, and platform as a service or PaaS. Out of the three big computing models, SaaS is the most popular and most commonly used one. And the great thing about it is you don't have to be a developer or an IT expert to use it. So, SaaS in a nutshell is a method of delivering software and application over the internet via a subscription model. This is a game changer compared to our traditional software model used prior to the emergence of cloud computing, where users would have to manage, install, and upgrade software themselves on local servers or computers. With SaaS, you can simply provision a server for instance in cloud, and in couple of hours you will have your software or application ready for use. Some key examples would be the email client which you use, such as Gmail, the application and tools you have on the computer, such as Microsoft Office 365 or Adobe Creative Cloud, or even when you are jamming out to your favorite music streaming service. These all are SaaS providing productivity apps over the internet. SaaS is also used in a wide variety of business operations today, such as communication and collaboration, customer relationship management, billing, sales management, human resources management, financial management, enterprise resource planning. You get the idea, right? The list goes on and on. So, unlike other cloud computing service models, SaaS is the very top of the IT stack and has the highest level of abstraction. So this means the cloud service provider will be providing and maintaining all these layers for you in this stack. Our users would access a SaaS application within what we call a multi-tenant architecture. And by tenant, I mean user. If you want to know more about multi-tenancy, please watch my previous videos. In multi-tenancy, you have multiple users, all accessing the same pool of resources within the stack. So it would be the same hosted environment, same hosted servers, where multiple users would have their own dedicated space. These are few of public SaaS applications. There are a lot of benefits with this in a SaaS application. So let's take a look at a few benefits. So one you know right off the bat, it's much more cost efficient compared to other models because cloud service providers would be maintaining and managing the application. So there is no IT overhead cost, and a SaaS application is typically consumed on a subscription based model, which is either on an annual basis or a monthly basis or even hourly basis these days. And that typically includes support. Whereas with our older traditional models on prem, you would have a perpetual license, you have a pretty huge upfront cost, and then you have to pay for support separately. Second benefit is scalability. So you can horizontally or vertically scale as needed because cloud service provider is going to be maintaining everything for you. So if you need to add more databases or you need to add more compute power, they will take care of it for you. Another benefit is you can access your SaaS application from anywhere, which is a huge benefit right now, especially if you want to mobilize your workforce. So all you need is a web browser and internet connectivity to be up and running with a SaaS application. There is no installation, there is typically no plugins involved, and no matter where you reside geographically, you can always be up and running. However, there are some instances where you do need to keep your data in the same location where you reside. For instance, with Europe, we have GDPR, and by law, you have to maintain your data where you reside. So there are going to be some instances like this, but for the most part, SaaS is a highly secure and scalable solution. And the last but not least, you always have a new version. There is no need to update your licensing or update manually to the new version of your software because that is all taken care for you and it is automatically upgraded. And this helps a lot with a wide range of issues. Typically, if there is a need of version control. So this is just a very quick overview of software as a service. Thank you for joining. If you have questions, please drop me a line in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.